One of the first things you'll want to do in the FloorVisio MRP system is to set yourself up as a vendor within the system. To do that, you will be logged in with an employee who has privileges to edit and add vendors. Once logged in, you will click on View and Vendors. And you'll look to see if you see yourself as a vendor, meaning you already have been set up. In this instance, Demo Shop is the name of my company for this instance of FloorVisio MRP. If Demo Shop was not here, I would hit Add New and the Edit button. Once you hit Add New, you'll fill in all of these fields for your vendor information. Now remember, this vendor information is your own company. The vendor approval method, this is for ISO and how the vendor has been approved. And you can see the different methods of approving this vendor. Company name is the name of your company, your street address, your city, your state, your zip code, your country, your phone number, your mobile number, your fax number, the email address for your company, the create emails manually. What this is for is if this is checked when an email has to be sent from FloorVisio, it will use your default mail client on your computer. When this is unchecked, it will use the FloorVisio system itself to send the email. Once you have all this information in, you'll hit Save. And you need to make note of your vendor ID. You will need to have this for the system settings. In the next video,